Good morning, everyone. Today we are speaking with Tom Greco. Tom's InfoSec career spans multiple diverse organizations, and his accomplishments include managing international security teams, rebuilding major programs and organizations, implementing comprehensive compliance measures, and establishing business continuity practices. At Compendium Security, he provides strategic planning and technical expertise. His leadership and expertise is further exemplified via senior roles at ConnectWise, Citi, Everbank, Global Forex Trading, Star Tickets, and Johnson Controls. Tom also holds a PhD in nuclear physics from Old Dominion University. I am here today to ask Tom one question. Tom, why did you choose to be an ambassador for CyberTrust Network?
Hey, Casey, thanks. I think first and foremost, probably the most unique thing about it is that it's built by security practitioners for security practitioners. I don't think there's any other platform that I know of anyway that is that focused. And if you couple that with the innovative approach that you guys have taken to both the job search side of things and the community side of things, which is awesome to put those both together, it's hands down, it's unparalleled. I think CyberMatch, for example, is leaps and bounds over subscribing to all the multiple job boards you can feed yourself with, right? And none of those, of course, very few, if any, are specific to cyber. Also, on the community side, I love the fact that it's give and take. You know, I'm well into my career. I'm an old guy, see all the gray, right? But, I'm always still learning. But at the same time, I really do love to teach and mentor. So the platform gives me the ability to do both. And so whether it's Ask a CISO or the Trusted Partner Network or the Ambassador Program, there are multiple facets in which you can do that. So anybody I think who values that community and is dedicated to our practice would find this whole platform and everything it has to offer extremely valuable.
Thank you, Tom. Thanks a million for your support, of course, and your time. And for everyone out there, thank you for listening. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Goodbye.